Hello guys, and welcome back once again to my English comprehension exercise today. Today we're going to be talking about two more homophones I talked about in our previous lessons. Homophones are English words that sound the same but have totally two different meanings. But before I get into this short comprehension exercise today, please like my page, guys. It's very important that you like my page. Or if you don't like it, hit the like button. It's okay. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there for me. It's very important that you subscribe to my channel so you can continue to get these videos submitted to you. And as always, it will be greatly appreciated. So we're going to talk about homophones, words in English that sound the same but have different meanings. We're going to talk about two of these words. The words are accept, A-C-C-E-P-T, and accept, E-X-C-E-P-T. Accept and accept are almost synonymous, which means opposites. So it is important that you know how to use them correctly. Accept, A-C-C-E-P-T, means to receive something, or to take something, to receive or to take something. Accept, E-X-C-E-P-T, means to leave something out or not included, something that's not included. We will look at each of these words separately. Let's look at the first one, accept, A-C-C-E-P-T. Accept is an English verb that means to receive or to take. We're going to use three sentences as an example. Here's the first sentence. Please accept my help, or please receive my help. Means the same. Here's another example. This store does not accept credit cards. This store does not take credit cards. You cannot use them here. Here's another example. They accepted his application for the job. They received or they took his application for the job. Until now, we have discussed accept. Now let's take a look at the explanation or in sentence of the word accept, E-X-C-E-P-T. Accept. Accept is usually an English preposition meaning leaving out, but, or other than. Here's an example in a sentence. We go to school every day except Saturday and Sunday. We go to school every day but Saturday and Sunday. Here's another example. Everyone got a prize except Sally. Other than Sally, everyone got a prize. Here's the last example in the sentence using the word accept. Except for her son, all the kids had a good time. All the kids had a good time, including her son, not including her son, excuse me. All the kids had a good time, not including her son. But that's the English comprehension exercise on those two homophones. Accept, A-C-C-E-P-T, and accept, E-X-C-E-P-T. Thank you guys for listening to this English comprehension exercise today. If you like this video, please hit the like button there, and also hit that subscribe button if you have not already subscribed. And it will always be appreciated. Until next time, guys, have a great day, and I'll see you with the next homophone. Bye.